I am Professor Martinek from Germany and member of advisory board for Germanten Hospital in India. Dr. Jawad joined us for a fellowship and I personally can rate him as a top orthopedic surgeon who can bring German standards to India.
Germanten, Germanten, Germanten.
Bringing German standards to India, Dr. Jawad established Germanten Hospital located at Attapur, that is close to the Hyderabad International Airport. Several patients from all over the world come here and get treated at this super specialty orthopedic boutique hospital. Germanten is designed to international standards, adhering to German protocols to ensure zero infection and quick mobility.
Germanten, Germanten.
It's named as Germanten because it's got high engineering precision and is at the forefront of technology. It has the things which are associated with Germany: extremely sturdy, robust treatments, practices and protocols. Excellence in clinical outcomes is achieved with a no-compromise attitude. A 10 by 10 is accepted. A 9.99 by 10 is not accepted. This attitude is reflected in every aspect of the hospital right from the word go. The founder, Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, is awarded a fellowship in orthoplasty from world-renowned Orthopedic Institute in Munich, Germany. He has worked with international experts in joint replacements.
We at Germanten try to achieve clinical excellence. For every surgery, zero infection is extremely important. We have strict navigational protocols to ensure international quality of surgery. We are here to deliver international quality of patient care in every aspect possible and to make them mobile and with a smile on their faces.
Life is invaluable. Every incision in the body means disturbing the balance of human creation. To ensure the safety and success of the operation, Germanten believes in using high-precision, state-of-the-art technology and German standard surgical materials. The operation theatres are advanced HEPA laminar eye suite ensuring zero infection. A very efficient team of doctors are available round the clock to attend to all emergencies. With world-class facilities, Germanten ensures a comfortable stay and a quick recovery.
90% मेरा ठीक ही हो गया है. थोड़ा सा तो पेन रहेगा क्योंकि इतना बड़ा सर्जरी हुआ है, स्टिचेस इतना गिरे थे और बोन के ऊपर हुआ है. अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि सर्जरी करके मैं बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन ली.
I was admitted 5th of October. 6th of October he did the surgery. 6th of November will be 1 month. I have not completed even 1 month right now. Sab asked me, are you able to walk? Yes sir, I am able to walk in my house. Can you walk now? I said yes. Then I walked in the corridor. He said fine, you are just walking as any other normal person. I am very grateful to Dr. Jawad Zar Khan Sahab.
Germanten, the Orthopedic Boutique Hospital.
Dedicated to engineering health, welcome to Germanten Hospitals.
Moving towards perfection. We follow robust practices. We ensure zero infection. There are no compromises. Promising mobility. Germanten, Germanten, Germanten.